Hello Kutis, I'm happy to welcome you all for the new video session. Today we are going to see Class 4 Term 2 English Unit 2 Save Wisely. So in this story we are going to learn about a family and what is happening in the family we are going to see. Okay. So every year Kamali and her cousin would visit the grandparents in their native village for the car festival that lasts for 3 days. Okay. So every year Kamali and her family visited with the cousin family. They will be visiting the grandparents who are staying in the village. So to attend the car festival, that car festival lasts for 3 days. Okay. So the kids, the Kamali and her cousins. Who is cousins? Cousins is nothing but the children of aunties or uncles. Okay. And the entire village will be in the festival mood. So entire village will be in festival mood. Okay. The children were most excited. The family members and relatives would give the children money to buy sweets and toys. Okay. The members of the family will be giving money to the children, and the children will be happily buying the sweets and toys which will be present in the festival. Okay. So the children would buy toys, chocolates, sweets, or packed food item. They would spend all the money and never save the money at all. Okay. So they will be very happily spending the money and they will not save the money. So the grandfather felt that the children should learn to save and use their money wisely. So the grandfather wants the children to save the money and use the money wisely, not spending for toys and the sweets. He wants the children should be save the money purposefully, okay, usefully. And he had announced one. What he announced? He had announced that the children should save the money that get over the course of year and spend it purposefully. Okay. So in the festival time, the children will be getting the amount. Okay. So next year they would be coming to the festival. So totally for the whole year, and they came for a festival, and up to the next festival, children has to save the money and they have to spend the money purposefully. Okay. So the grandfather is announcing that the children has to save the money for the whole year and they have to spend the money purposefully. Okay. So the children were not at all excited by the announcement. So if we are getting money, we will be spending the money. So whatever we want, whatever the chocolates we want, whatever the toys we want, we will be go immediately to the shop and we will be purchasing, isn't it? We will not save all the money. But here also, Rajan and Mala were the youngest of the kids. They are very small kids and they did not take the grandfather seriously. So they did not take the grandfather word seriously. They spent their money on buying the sweets and toys. Okay. The other siblings, who is siblings? Siblings is the own brothers and sisters. Okay. So the other siblings, Jayan and Kaveri, decided to enjoy the festival to full fest. Okay. They also wanted to enjoy the festival full fest. Okay. So they brought every single types of foods available across the shop. Okay, they started to buy all the food items that is selling in the festival. Okay, so on the second day, Jayan got food poison. That is, Jayan is not feeling well. He got sick due to food poison. Okay, so he decided to spend the money only on toy. At the time also, he is not decided to save the money. He decided to spend the money on buying the toys. Okay, the elders of the kids were Kamali and Sendil. The elders of the kids were Kamali and Sendil, and they were determined to save the money and use it purposefully. So Kamali and Sendil were the eldest kid and they have decided to save the money and spend the money purposefully. Okay. They controlled their desires and saved every rupee they got. So they started to control their wishes and they don't want to spend the money to buy chocolates or something else. They started to save the money. Who all are? Kamali and Sendil. Okay. By the end of the festival, they managed to save around 300 rupee. At this year itself, and end of 3 days, so the car festival will be last for 3 days, isn't it? So end of this festival, they have saved 300 rupees. Grandfather was very happy by seeing their effort. Okay, they didn't spend a single rupee. They have saved up to 300 rupees. Okay. So Sendil, when he went home, took his father to the nearest post office and opened a saving account. Okay, so after going home, Sendil took his father to the nearest post office and he started saving account. Okay, he saved all his pocket money and found new way to save money, like he started to walk instead of taking the bus. So he want to save every money that he is getting. 1 rupee if he getting means he want to save that. He don't want to spend that money. So he started to walk instead of taking the bus. So he don't want to travel in the bus. He started to walk. If he going in the bus, he had to take a ticket. So he is thinking that it is a waste of money that by taking the ticket, I have to spend some money. So that money has to be put it in the saving packets, isn't it? So he don't want to take the bus. He is walking. Okay, he kept his stationery safe so that he do not have to keep buying it. So he is very carefully taking care of his stationery. What is stationery? The pencil, rubber, erasers, sharpeners and all. Okay, he is taking care of it very carefully so that he cannot buy it again and again. So he don't want to spend the money again and again. So he is very carefully using the stationery. Okay, and he reused his old book to save money. So again, he started to reuse the old book. He is not going to get new book. He don't want to get new book by spending the money. Instead of getting the new book, he is using the old book he want to save the money. So his father made him understand that saving is done after using the money for basic need. So his father Sendil's father is telling that we have to save the money, but we have to fulfill our basic needs first with that money. So after fulfilling the basic need, if we are having money extra, we have to save the money. Okay, so Sendil brought new book to take notes in his class. Okay, children. Okay, Sendil's dream was to buy a camera. What is Sendil's dream? To buy a camera. Okay, so he started to save the money to buy the camera. At the end of the year, his father checked his saving and brought him a latest camera with his saving. Okay, so at the end of the year, so Sendil's father is checking the saving amount and he found that he got the amount to buy a new camera and his father brought a new camera to Sendil. Okay, so next we are going to see about Kamali. Sendil and Kamali is the two kids who are saving, right? So Kamali has a clear plan that he has a friend named Anandi. So Anandi's father was flutist. Okay, so Kamali is having a friend named Anandi. Anandi's father was flutist and they lived in the same street. So the girls used to visit each other often. On many of these occasions, Anandi used to teach her to play the flute. So Anandi know how to play the flute as his father was a flutist. So he often started to teach Kamali how to play the flute. Okay, so Kamali always wanted to buy a flute. Kamali always wanted to buy a flute. At the end of 1 year, he managed to save some amount. Okay, so end of the year, she also having some amount. At that time, her father needed money. So while he is checking the money to buy the flute, is noting that her father needs money urgently and asked if he could use her savings. Okay. By seeing that, Kamali going to the father and asking, "Father, if you need my money, you can take my savings." And he promised to return the money soon. The father is accepting that, and he is getting the money from Kamali, and he promising that I'll be returning it soon. Okay. So Kamali gave her saving to her father. Although she was proud of helping her father, okay, she still wants to buy the flute. She was disappointed. Okay. Anyway, she have given all the money to her father, and she was very happy. But even though she is happy and proud, but little bit she was upset because she wants the flute and she had planned to buy the flute, but she was disappointed at that time. Okay. And soon it was time to visit the village. So 1 year is completed. Again they are going to the village. Everyone was happy to meet each other after 1 year. On the day of the car festival, the whole family gathered in the village, and everyone in the family shared about the year gone one by one. So 1 year had gone, right? So the family members are talking about what happened in the past days. So everyone in the family share about the year gone one by one. After dinner, Sendil brought his new camera and told Grandpa how he have saved and brought the camera. Okay. So after finishing the dinner, Sendil came to grandfather and he told, and he's showing the camera which was brought by his father, and he started to explain to grandfather how he saved and how he bought the camera. So grandpa was very proud and happy. He congratulated him. Okay. Meanwhile, Kamali's father gave grandpa a gift and said something in his ears. Okay. So while he is talking with Sendil, Kamali's father is coming and he is giving some gift pack to grandpa, and he is saying something else in grandfather's ear. Grandpa smiled and called Kamali. So after hearing it, so grandpa is calling Kamali. He gave her the gift. So the gift was to Kamali. Gift was given by the father, Kamali's father, and that father brought the gift and gave it to grandpa and told the grandfather to give the gift to Kamali. Okay. Her savings were used to buy the gift. Okay. His father is telling that the gift is purchased by the money which she saved. Okay. The Kamali eagerly opened the box and found the brand new flute. Okay. So Kamali was disappointed because she did not get the flute, right? So the Kamali's father, after finishing that problem, so he after receiving the money again, the Kamali's father has purchased a new brand flute for her. Her eyes were moister with tears. She was very happy, and her eyes were moister with tears. The whole family asked her to play the flute. Okay. Kamali played the song of her friend had taught her. So Kamali know how to play the flute, right? The Anandi had taught her. So she had started to play, and Sendil started clicking pictures of the event, which is camera. So Sendil is clicking taking the photos of the family occasions, and they are very happy. The family were very, very, very happy about these two kids. Okay. So I hope you all enjoyed this video.